So Cucamonga Valley Water District, we serve the area of Rancho Cucamonga, California. We have a mixed use of residential and industrial. We're also on the hillside, so we kind of have a sloping elevation that goes up into the foothills of Rancho Cucamonga, 8 different pressure zones. And we pull water from either the groundwater, which is located towards the south of our service region, all the way up to about midway. About midway, we also have a surface water treatment plant where we'll produce water as well. We've been very proactive as far as different energy programs that have happened. Because of our ability to participate in those other programs, we actually have a pretty nice SCADA system. We have a nice communication system. We're able to participate in things like this. Also with the topology of Cucamonga, it's something that's feasible for us to do. It's just a matter of determining what is overgen, how do we operate it, and is it something that we could do in order to maintain our supply and our quality throughout our service district. We have technology, we have staff, we have the skills in order to implement something like this. The biggest thing is going to be operations. How are we going to operate? We're very cognizant, I guess you could say, of energy prices, and so it's going to be a thing of making sure that we're staying aware of our energy prices and that we're not going to do anything that could jeopardize basically a demand fee. If there's a demand fee that's out there that could throw us over for the month, that's something that I think is kind of the biggest hurdle. So the demand fees, and then water quality, of course, that's our number one concern, is supply, tied up with one another. We take an approach of piloting to make sure that it's something that you're capable of doing before you're committed to it. And then also run the calcs and actually in that pilot figure out what is the return. Is this something that's sustainable or not? We did a program with UCR under the EPIC grant, and because it was a grant and it came through the PUC, it was more of a learning experience for us, and that whole EPIC grant allowed us to just discover something differently in our operation. So it's worth going through the pilot process and learn what it's going to do and how it impacts you before you actually commit to something. I think we're coming to a point where we have to have data integration between SCE's billing and then also with our operations. Everything seems to be going quicker and quicker, moving faster and faster, where it's all real time now. So if we could actually synchronize some of our Edison billing, so that way we could know what our billing dates and billing cycles are, then actually get that data coming up as quickly as Edison is, so that way we can make real-time decisions and make sure that we're on track, that we're not going to jeopardize anything financial in these projects. I think that's the biggest thing, is to provide that data at real time.